My name is Carlos Landaverde. I'm the chef de cuisine for the Mill Sports Bar. Today we're going to be baking a lobster tail with a garlic lemon herb. All right, so we're going to start by opening up our skillet. We're going to heat it up. We're going to season it with a little garlic butter. Next, we're going to put the lobster tail in. We'll set the parsley, fresh parsley in first. We'll set the lobster tail in next. Next, we're going to squeeze 2 lemon wedges over the top of the lobster. And go ahead and just put the lemon wedges in as well. We'll bake it with it. Next, we're going to rub the lobster with garlic butter. Nice rub over the top. Next, we're going to put a little bit of fresh minced garlic over the top. Just a little wine over the top for flavor. Okay, we're going to put our vegetables, which is our green beans, red bell peppers. So let's go ahead and put the vegetables in. We're going to season the vegetables with a little white wine, salt and pepper. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on it and bake it for 10 to 12 minutes. Lobster tail is in the oven. We're going to go ahead and get ready to plate up. We're going to serve it with the quinoa on the side, which is a gluten-free barley wheat blend. And we're going to season it with a little garlic and salt and some little chicken broth. This is ready. We're going to go ahead and grab the lobster, get ready to plate up. Plate it on our nice black dish over here.